Bitcoin SV, BSV, denoted by the ticker symbol BSV, is a cryptocurrency that holds a relatively modest position in the market. As of the present, its value stands at 39.52, while its market capitalization is estimated to be 761.412,921. These figures are indicative of its unobtrusive nature within the cryptocurrency landscape. Digital currencies have evolved beyond their initial perception as a mere plaything for tech enthusiasts, opportunists, and niche vendors. Presently, they have emerged as a distinct asset class that is largely regulated and even adopted as legal tender by certain major investment banks. These banks, recognizing the potential of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin SV, strategically acquire them alongside other digital assets to safeguard their holdings against the detrimental effects of rampant inflation, thereby mitigating risks posed to traditional financial markets. This development holds significant importance. At present, it is opportune to present our concise, medium, and long-term perspectives on the developments in the Bitcoin SV, BSV, market, which are based on the analysis of our unique cryptocurrency volatility index. This index aids us in assessing market valuation and predicting its future trajectory in a cautious and objective manner. As of now, the price of Bitcoin SV stands at $39.52, placing it at the 55th position among all cryptocurrencies. The ranking is primarily determined by the current market capitalization, which is a reflection of the present value of the asset. This methodology is universally applied across all financial markets, contrary to popular belief. Our organization consistently conducts thorough evaluations of changes in these three districts to ensure that our clients receive the most relevant information regarding the performance of their digital assets in their portfolios, which is typically of significant importance. It is necessary to thoroughly examine the prominent data that facilitates the illustration of a comprehensive understanding of the market structure and its trajectory. On August 6, the price of Bitcoin SV, BSV, reached $35.94 at the end of the trading period. This represented a marginal increase of 1.87% compared to the price of $37.29 observed a week earlier on August 7. Consequently, it can be inferred that the price of BSV has remained relatively stable, with a negligible change of 0%. In the preceding month, on August 12, the market valued Bitcoin SV at $43.20, indicating a significant decrease of 8.52% to its current standing. This price movement holds considerable significance. The evaluation of market capitalization holds significant importance in both the cryptocurrency and traditional business sectors. A similar mathematical approach is used to determine the frequency and regularity of changes in market capitalization for digital assets and stocks. Positive or negative fluctuations in market capitalization are common indicators of market conditions and the potential for gains or losses in both short and long-term perspectives. This assessment is commonly employed to evaluate the overall quality of Bitcoin SV in comparison to other digital currencies, with the aim of minimizing ambiguity. The advancements being discussed have the potential to provide valuable insights into future market trends. It is worth noting that the selection process for determining the present market capitalization of BSV was conducted with great care. Additionally, the streaming shop is being replicated to ensure its up-to-date functionality. The current market capitalization of Bitcoin SV is at approximately 761.412,921. This value represents a critical threshold that is expected to be further analyzed and resolved in the future, considering the ongoing value of the cryptocurrency under examination. Which shapes the reason for certainly present truly positioning was mentioned previously on August 6. BSV sort of how to market capitalization of 692.368,662 in a significant manner, keep going weak on August 7, the market capitalization of the coin being referred, To truly was recorded at 718.405 to 103, which truly is very huge. A month prior on August 12 the market worth of Bitcoin SV was evaluated to in a genuine sense be 832,338,918 kind of as opposed to popular belief. This statistic also figures the coins that have been gotten rid of through the consuming cycle, which is used to control the expansion pace. Surprisingly, the actual total stock of Bitcoin SV is currently set at 19,266,077 BSV. Finally, the moving supply is generally used to compute market capitalization and evaluate the coins extremely current remaining in the positions. It represents the general measure of BSV that is generally exchanged across all trades barring coins that are marked locked, frozen, or briefly put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown. In contrast to mainstream thinking, it is generally accepted that digital currencies with a circulating supply of 60 million to 150 million coins are the most appropriate for fundamentally long-haul venture because they are likely to essentially see the value in esteem over a long time frame, potentially many years, while keeping a reasonable expansion rate, which is genuinely critical at this crossroads. Bitcoin SV has a circling supply of 19,266,077 coins, also high trading volume, for the most part, indicates that liquidity is flowing into that market, demonstrating the general revenue in digital currencies and ensuring in every practical sense. A significant way is the smooth implementation of exchange. However, it should be noted that the information associated with the continuous exchanging volume isn't that truly much appropriate for making extremely long-haul cost expectations. However, it frequently gives significant understanding into the truly current market circumstance, which is essential for short and mid-term cost gauges done by our exclusive calculation. A generally savvy digital currency financial backer shouldn't disregard this metric. The general rule here is to get into the activity when the volume starts to rise, when the cost is pushing out of the combination region, and basically abandon the boat once the volume starts to drop. After an impressive attention, it's far better assuming those cost moves basically occur in areas that agree with generally high volume, which explicitly are typically shown through tall bars on the comparing pointer. That explicitly is implanted. Keeping that in mind, we should examine the trading volume reported on the Bitcoin SV market over the following time periods. Incredibly, in recent hours, the exchanging volume related to BSV arrived at the place of 84.88593 in a huge way. Previously on August 6, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the end of the exchanging time frame in a real sense remained at 28,299,393 or so. The fundamentally thought 7 days prior on August 7, how much BSV that was fundamentally traded between market members was assessed at 36.900 win 384 PR.